Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. From there, once your content is open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold or press power button and volume up at the same time. There we go. And as you can see, it gives you a flash along with a pop-up at the bottom. After a moment, this will disappear. Once it does so, you can find the screenshot that you have captured in your Photos application. And the easiest way to locate it would be to go into the albums, scroll all the way down, and here you'll find an album called Screenshots. And the screenshot that I've captured is right here. Additionally, it also allows you to gather text from it. So as you can see, we have a bunch of text here like camera, clock, and so on. And we can tap right here on this little icon, and this will detect all the text on the image. And from here, you can actually select it, copy it, paste it, whatever you want. A very good option for documents specifically, for instance, even PDFs. So no longer do you need to type them up or do anything weird. PDFs can now just be completely copied as a text. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.